Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In our last video we solved question number 5 of exercise number 1.5. Now we solve question number 6 of the same exercise. And the question number 6 is, if A is equals to 4, 0, minus 1, 2, and B is equals to minus 4, minus 2, 1 and minus 1, and C is equals to, sorry, not C, this is D. D is equals to 3, 1, minus 2 and 2. Then verify that the first part is A, B whole inverse is equals to B inverse into A inverse. The inverse of AB is equals to B inverse into A inverse. This is what we want to prove. Okay. First we take left hand side. So left hand side is equals to inverse of A into B. To solve this part, first we multiply A and B. We get 4, 0, minus 1 and 2, and B is equals to minus 4, minus 2, 1 and minus 1. Simply we put the value of matrix A and matrix B. Then we get 4 into minus 4 plus 0 into 1, minus 1 into minus 4 plus 2 into 1, 4 into minus 2 plus 0 into minus 1, minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2 into minus 1. It will be equals to minus 16 plus 0, minus 8 plus 0, 4 plus 2 and 2 minus 2. So it will be equals to minus 16, minus 8, 6 and 0. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is A into B. Now we find A into B whole inverse. So we will remove all this part because we have less space. So this is A into B, minus 16, minus 8, 6 and 0. We know that inverse of AB will be equals to adjoint of AB divided by determinant of AB. First of all, we find adjoint of AB. Now first we solve determinant of AB, because this is the first condition, that if the determinant is not equal to 0, then we can find the inverse. So we find determinant will be equals to minus 16 into 0 minus 8 into 6. It will be equal to 0 plus 48, which is equals to 48. 48 is not equal to 0, so we can say that this is a singular matrix. This is non-singular matrix and we can find inverse. Now we will find adjoint of AB, and adjoint of AB is equals to 0, minus 16, 8 and minus 6. This is the value of adjoint of AB. Okay. Now put these values adjoint of AB and the value of determinant of AB in this equation. We get inverse of AB is equals to 0, 8, minus 6, minus 16 divided by 48. And it will be equals to inverse of A into B is equals to 0 divided by 48, 8 by 48, minus 6 by 48 and minus 16 by 48, because 48 divided by divide whole this matrix, so it divides each entry of this matrix. This comes 0, 6, 1 by 6, minus 1 by 8 and minus 1 by 3. This is the answer of A, B whole inverse. Now we solve the right hand side. Right hand side is right hand side, which is B inverse into A inverse. First we solve B inverse and here we solve A inverse. So B inverse will be equals to adjoint of B over determinant of B, and then first we solve determinant of B and it will be equals to minus 4, minus 2, 1 minus 1, which is equals to minus 4 into minus 1 minus minus 2 into 1, and it will be equals to 4 plus 2, which is equals to 6. 6 is not equal to 0, so we can find B inverse. First we solve B inverse. Now we find adjoint of B, which is equals to minus 1, minus 4, 2, minus 1. And B inverse is equals to, put the value of adjoint of B over determinant of B. Here we get minus 1, 2, minus 1, minus 4 divided by 6. We get minus 1 by 6, 2 by 6, minus 1 by 6, minus 4 by 6, and it will be equals to minus 1 by 6, 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3. This is the answer of B inverse. Now we find A inverse. We get A inverse is equals to adjoint of A over determinant of A, and determinant of A is equals to 4, 0, minus 1 and 2, which is equals to 4 into 2 minus 0 into minus 1, which is equals to 8 minus 0, which is equals to 8. 8 is not equal to 0, so we can find A inverse. Now we find adjoint of B, which is equals to adjoint of A, which is equals to 2, 0, 1 and 4. Now we find A inverse. Put the value of adjoint of A and over determinant of A in this equation. We get 2, 0, 1 and 4 divided by 8. It will be equals to 2 by 8, 0 by 8, 1 by 8 and 4 by 8. And it will be equals to 1 by 4, 0, 1 by 8 and 2 by 4, 1 by 2. Okay, this is the answer of A inverse. Now we multiply B inverse by A inverse. This is the value of B inverse. So now we multiply B inverse into A inverse. We get minus 1 by 6, 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, multiplied by 1 by 4, 0, 1 by 8 and 1 by 2. It will be equals to minus 1 by 6 multiplied by 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 8. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 4 minus 2 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 8 minus 1 by 6 multiplied by 0 plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 into 0 minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. Now multiply this minus 1 over 24 plus 1 over 24. This is 0 plus 1 by 6 minus 1 over 12. 2 4s are 8. So minus 1 by 12. This is 0 and this is minus 1 by 3. Now this will be equals to minus 1 by 24 plus 1 by 24. The answer is 0. This is 1 by 6 minus 1 by 12 minus 1 by 12. It's 2 times minus 2 times 1 by 12 and this is minus 1 by 3. So it will be equals to 0, 1 by 6 minus 1 by 6 and minus 1 by 3. So this is the answer. Here is 1 by 6. This is 1 by 6. This is also 1 by 6 and this is 1 by 24 and it will be equals to, taking LCM here, we get 24 minus 1 minus 2 and it will be equals to 0, 1 by 6 minus 3 by 24 minus 1 by 3 and it will be equals to 0, 1 by 6 minus 1 by 8 and 1 by 3. This is the answer of A part of question number 6 and this is equals to the left hand side. So we can say that left hand side is equals to right hand side. This is what we want to prove. This is the first part of question number 6. We will solve next part of question number 6 in our next video. Allah Hafiz.